Shellam Winery, located in the famous Willamette Valley of Oregon, is a jewel amidst the rustic landscape of the Pacific Northwest. This exceptional vineyard produces some of the world's greatest grape in a setting that will excite and delight. From fanciful bubbles to deep and prophetic reds, the team here brings a modern twist to old world classics in a way that is celebrated in every sip. Pair these intoxicating moments with the masterful flavors from Chef Brent Spangler, and you have a full experience that will leave you wanting for nothing. Besides being able to take home some of these amazing vintages, if you ask nicely, you can even have a recipe card or two to bring the experience back to your home kitchen. Just be warned, in all fairness, that while experiencing such amazing food and drink in such a beautiful locale, no matter how great a cook you might be pining to come back for the real thing sooner than later.